So YouTube, this is my fireworks stash 2012. So first off, first I got the aerial selection box from Dancing Red Devil. Looks pretty nice. It's got a few small rockets, Haley Comet rockets, got Reach the Sky rockets, got 2-star shooter, they're fountains I think, 4 shot tubes here, got Fan on Fire and Fearless. Then got some Whirlwind rockets which look slightly larger, got 2 mystical triangles, 6 shots. We've got another one here. This is the same thing. So I've got 3 of them. That's it in the selection box, pretty cheap. Then I got a mini mine pack from Devco Fireworks. It's just to kill some time. Plus I like mines. Got some snake bites. There's 5 but I use one. Some cosmic. Just eject the star. Pretty loud though when they eject. Got 2 colour wheels. Can buy one get one free. They're just normal Catherine wheels. I've got a giant wheel from Cosmic Astro Ring of Fire. Sounds nice. Effects sound nice too. Got some Turbo Star rockets. They're nice. I tried a small one out earlier in the week. It went off well, so the bigger ones are slightly better. I've got a 10-shot Green Goblins small barrage. It's got some decent sized tubes on it. I've got a Red Goblin. It's 10 shots as well. Same thing, we just red. They were pretty cheap. I just bought them. Same as last year, I got a professional cone. It's a different type though. It's a silver conic fountain. This one's from Devco as well. Still 1.4 grams. Just gonna crackle. It's a large fountain. I've got Screaming Aurora, sound back to missile. Performance sounds nice. It's just colourful. Missiles. Find the normal ones boring these days. Have a Summer's Festival. That's from Devco. A performance. The performance sounds really nice for a small cake like this. It's quite heavy as well, so I hope that one's good. I have Space War. I've had this one 3 years in a row. It's always really good. For some reason it feels a little bit lighter this year, but hopefully it's the same. So, I recommend this cake. If you see it, you should definitely buy this one. I've got Midnight Mayhem from Cosmic Astro Fireworks. It's just 200. It's 200 shots. It's pretty much what you'd expect for a 200 shot cake. Moving up slightly bigger. I've got the keg from Devco Fireworks. The performance is pretty nice. It's a 10 shot. It's got some good weight to it. Sorry about my code. Got Midnight Melody. It's a 19 shot. Performance. Sounds really nice. This one's got some good weight too. This is Golden Dawn from Devco. It's a 19 shot as well. This one's more, it has like a bigger description, so hopefully that one's better. Got T-Rex Terror which is a really good cake. I think it came out about 2 years ago. Very nice. There's a video on this one. I think it's on D1's channel. He's got a video of this. He's also got a video of this as well, Firebombs. Dancing with the Devil. This one doesn't have a performance on it. You can see the video if you want. I'll open it up for you. Just 25 shot. It's like in a little box. It's attached to the bottom. So hopefully that'll stay stable. Hope. So you can see these two. For my finale, I've got Jazz Party from Devco Fireworks. Take Stars, Whistles, Bands. This one's really loud, so I just got it for that. And then also I've got Electric Storm, which is also from Devco. I think I'll shoot this one off last with 25 meters. That's pretty much it for my fireworks stash for 2012. Didn't spend too much. Probably spend more next year. I haven't seen too many videos of fireworks this year. So please rate, comment and subscribe. Stay safe.